Meaning of Emirati.
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 Emirati. Emirati is an adjective that refers to something or someone from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which is a country located on the Arabian Peninsula in the Middle East. The term is commonly used to describe the culture, language, and customs of the UAE. Additionally, it is used as a demonym to describe people who are citizens or nationals of the country. Emiratis are known for their hospitality, strong sense of national pride, and traditional values, which are rooted in Islamic culture and heritage.